मैं तो ऐसे Namaskar. I am Dr. Sameer Tawakley. I am a senior consultant nephrologist at Apollo Hospital, Noida. Today we would discuss about very important topic which is often not discussed publicly, and the topic that we are going to discuss today is about organ donation. There are a lot of people who are suffering from end organ damages who require some sort of organ transplantation. The organs which require transplantation include kidney, lungs, liver, heart, pancreas, intestines, sometimes skin, and connective tissues like tendons, and the most important organ which is transplanted is the cornea of the eye. Despite so many organs which can be transplanted, still there is a lack of donors in the country. Organ donation is usually required for people who suffer from damage to that particular organ, so much so that that organ is unable to function normally, requiring a replacement of that organ, that is organ donation. The organs, like I said, there are numerous organs which can be transplanted. The donation can be of two types: living donation and cadaveric donation. Live donation is usually done by a living donor, and a cadaveric donation is usually done on a brain dead person. The organs are harvested from brain dead donors. Now, why do we want to discuss about organ donation? ये एक ऐसा टॉपिक है which is often not talked about because of lack of awareness of this topic, and also certain spiritual restrictions which are associated with organ donation. So today, let us talk about and make ourselves aware about this organ donation. Live donation is usually performed from a living donor, and the organs which can be taken from a living donor include the kidney, the part of liver, and other organs like the pancreas. Whereas a cadaveric donor can provide life to 8 people by giving one pair of kidneys, one pair of lungs, heart, pancreas, liver, cornea, and skin. So, even a brain dead person can save lives of almost 8 people. Unfortunately, there is very less number of organ donations which are being performed not only in our country but across the globe. In fact, you would be surprised to know that almost 10 lakh people in our country require some organ donation, but unfortunately, just about 3,500 transplants are performed every year. And almost one person is added to this list every 10 minutes. Because of the lack of such donors, almost about 15 to 20 people die per day because of non availability of organ. So you can see that if you become an organ donor, you would be able to save so many lives. So, with this concept in mind, let us all pledge to become organ donors to save life. The most important thing is to make oneself aware and also to spread awareness amongst your friends, neighbors, and colleagues. So, if you are an intelligent person, if you want to do something for the society, make yourself aware about organ donation and also make others aware about organ donation. There are various programs which are being run by the government and non governmental organizations about which you can go and read on the internet and make yourself aware. An organization, NOTO, which is spearheading this organ donation program, is also actively involved in the procurement and disbursement of organs from various cadaveric sources and from various cadaver donors. India actually leads in the number of deaths which occur due to accidents, but unfortunately, the number of transplants which are being performed in our country are very, very minimal, especially the organs which are being harvested from such cadaveric or brain dead donors. So, you make yourself aware, you read about it. There are certain myths which you which you need to understand, and you have to understand that those are only myths. The most common amongst these is that if organs are harvested from your body, then probably in your next life you would be born without those organs. Those are all myths, and all religions across the world support and promote organ donation to save lives. So there is no spiritual connection to organ donation. In fact, it is considered a very noble deed. So, with this in mind, there are various programs run by the government and even across the globe. And one such program is the Organ Donation Day, which is celebrated in the month of August every year to spread awareness and to promote the concept of organ donation. So, my friends, keep this in mind that one person can save the lives of 8 people. With this, I would like you to go out and spread awareness about organ donation to as many people as possible. Thank you.